Is your kid in grade 11 or 12 under the CBSE curriculum, or maybe even earlier, and already interested in software programming and computer science? We are excited to introduce a course in Informatics Practices, which is listed as subject code 065 under the CBSE curriculum. It is fully aligned with CBSE and NCERT guidelines. In this course, students build a strong foundation in computer science, learn how to handle data, and start programming in Python. They'll also be introduced to exciting areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's a great starting point for any student who loves technology and wants to build skill for the future. So why wait until grade 11? Students can start building their skills as early as grade 9, giving them a solid head start in today's tech-driven world. If your child is passionate about technology, this is a perfect opportunity to nurture that interest. With expert guidance and a structured curriculum, they'll be able to develop critical skills in computer science, programming, and emerging technologies from an early age. Informatics Practices is an excellent subject choice for students who wish to build a career in the field of technology. It lays the groundwork for future studies and careers in areas such as computer science engineering, software programming, data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. By starting early, students gain the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in this fast-growing and highly rewarding field. So we offer two convenient course formats to suit different learning preferences. Online classes provide flexibility and can be accessed from anywhere, allowing students to learn at their own pace. For those who prefer in-person interaction, we also offer classroom sessions that provide hands-on learning and a more engaging experience. The course will be led by industry experts with over 20 years of experience, ensuring that students receive high-quality instruction, practical insights, and the right guidance throughout their learning journey. Give your child a head start in the world of tech. With the right foundation, they'll be equipped to excel in the ever-evolving tech industry. Register here, use a Google form given in the description, and join our WhatsApp group for further updates. And the WhatsApp group links also given in the description. So we provide plenty of program exercise to help students understand concepts clearly and become comfortable with writing code. These hands-on activities ensure they don't just learn, they actually practice and apply what they have learned. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to enroll in these courses, please fill the Google form linked in the description and join the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.